Hey guys, I am back with another haul video. Like I do it commonly, but really this is the second time I've ever done it in 8 years. I don't know. It's been a really long time and I don't really like to do hauls because I don't actually buy that much anymore. But I did go to Anglicare Factory Outlet in Villawood recently, and I haven't been in a really long time, maybe 5-6 years. I didn't know what to expect. It's moved to a different location. The last time it was in Summerhill, but I remember the last time that I went, it was just, I found so much good stuff. I am wearing this top that I actually found from last time. I'm still wearing a lot of pieces that I picked up from last time. It's a really awesome place to op shop because it is a lot cheaper than going to normal op shops. You thrift by the kilo, so it's $9 a kilo. That's what it works out to be. Half kilos are kind of weird prices. You save a bit, and then when you jump up back to like 2 kilos, it's still $9 a kilo. I don't know how it works. There's probably a more efficient cost saving way, but I ended up with 2.5 kilos. All of this. It was actually 2.58, but I asked her if she would round down and she did. So I grabbed a whole bunch of stuff which I just washed yesterday, so they're a little bit creased, but I can't be bothered ironing them just for this video, so I'm just going to try them on creased. That's the rubbish truck. Also, my studio is really messy right now and I couldn't be bothered cleaning it up just for this video either, so you're gonna have to see some snippets of mess here and there. It's a lot worse on the ground, but I kind of cut it off so you can't see it. So I don't know what the mic quality is like because I didn't bring a mic, but this will have to do. The lighting looks pretty good. It's, I don't know what time it is, it's probably 8 AM, but I'm going to try all of these on now and show you what it looks like. I forgot to mention that all of this was $22.50. $22.50. I think I got over 10 things, and I went in hoping to find some cute vintage dresses and tops. I ended up with like 5 pairs of pants. Yeah, that was not intentional. I feel like I have enough pants, but then when I saw, anyway, I'll show you. I'm super excited with the things I got and I love them and I can't wait to wear them, and they are going to be in my forever wardrobe because, as you know, or may not know, I am working towards building a capsule wardrobe, and this might seem excessive for someone trying to build a capsule wardrobe, but these are all essentials in my opinion. There are gaps in my wardrobe that these pieces fill, but they also replace. The bin is coming around again. I forgot to curl my lashes. Oh yeah, as I was saying, these are essentials in my capsule wardrobe. They fill either a gap that I had, so pieces that I was looking for to complete it, or they replace an inferior design. Like I've upgraded a similar piece. So I might have had a piece that I didn't like the material of or the fit of, but I wanted something similar to replace it, but I kept it there just to remind me that I needed something to fill that place. So that doesn't make sense, but anyway, cue the try on. after all that, that was the last outfit, and I hope you enjoyed that try on. I didn't know what I was doing. You couldn't see my feet, which was annoying most of the time, so you probably got to see my dry cracked heels as I was trying to show you the bottom of the pants. That is the haul, and I love the clothes. I think this was the luckiest thrift shop haul that I've ever done, because it is very rare to find more than maybe 2 good pieces, but the fact that I found like 10, I haven't counted, I keep saying 10. 5, 6, 7, there is exactly 10. Unless I miscounted. Oh, that's really bright. I'm wearing my favorite outfit, the one with the flared jeans. I love these. I've always really wanted flared jeans. For $22.50 for 10 pieces, that means they were $2.25 per piece. That is incredible. Sorry, I keep looking up there because the screen is up there and it's really confusing, and I've never vlogged like this before, and it's so hard not to like stare at yourself. That is my first haul try on. I'm probably not going to do many of these because my wardrobe can't handle that many hauls. This one was just kind of a rare case because I needed a few pieces to fill my wardrobe. Just this particular time I was looking for some light blouses like this and some tops like that country road one. I do thrift every now and then, but it's not going to be a weekly thing or anything because I'm trying to be minimal over here, and even though thrifting is great for the environment, it's still not very minimal by hoarding all this stuff. Usually when I thrift it's like 1 or 2 pieces, 3 or 4 max, and that's like once a month. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was super fun to make, very hard to film. Not very hard, I'm being dramatic. It was a bit hard to film because I couldn't get, you know, the full length of the body. Full length of the body. But yeah, this is a clothes rack. This is my bunk backdrop. I actually have a photo backdrop stand over there, that pole, but it is so wide and it takes up so much room that I can't be bothered setting it up, and this thing is already here. I need to get rid of this thing. Anyway, not for this video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.